What's going on, guys? So in this video, it's going to be a little bit of a voiceover, but more of just kind of showing the clip with my voice muted for the most part. I'm going to put some like text overlays and stuff to describe kind of what's going on in some of the clips, but this is just a rear diffuser or rear lip kit install on my 2013 MAZDASPEED3. So yeah, if you guys dig this video, give me a like, comment what you think about how it looks. I think it's kind of, you know, it's a subtle little lip kit, but it's, I think, better than a lot of the other like more aggressive options out there. It just comes down to personal preference, but I just wanted to keep it clean. And I will be going with the rest of the kit, like the side skirts and front lip, so it all matches really good. But that'll be down the road. So thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy this video.
Oh, that's tight. That's beautiful. Safety goggles. Remember your safety, everybody.
Safety glasses.
Bill 9. Bill 9 science guy taught me this in the 5th grade. And I still use it.
Or at least just for a while, give me